Your mother might sometimes complain and shout a lot, but she shows her love in the smallest of ways. Your mother will complain when you come home late, but she will be awake waiting for you. Your mother will complain that you don't clean your dishes, but she will still cook your favorite meal when she knows you had a bad day. A mother will scold you for your mistakes.
ያምራል ተፈጥሮሽ ቅጣት በኩላሊት ነው ብዬሻለሁ። ሰምተሻል አይደል? በኋላ አልሰማውም ምናምን እኔ አይሰማም ነጋ
ፍታ በእናትህ እንደዚህ አይነት ወሬ አታውራ።
ኩላሊት መልሽ ኩላሊት ነው